been delivered in the SIR matter, that is applicable in case of Bihar. That is not all India features. In this judgment, which I have heard, safeguard which had been provided by the Election Commission, that was sufficient, it has been held. But one interesting thing has been said, that if Election Commission has no authority to decide who is citizen and who is not citizen, and if the Election Commission has deleted any name on the ground of the citizenship, then they should refer the matter to the appropriate authority under the Citizenship Act. And that appropriate authority will decide whether these gentlemen, these persons who are affected, they are citizen or non-citizen. If the appropriate authority hold that they are citizen, then their names should be included. Which we are saying for long, that the central government has no power, or police has no power to decide who is citizen and who is not citizen, and then thereafter push them back. That is not allowed by the Supreme Court today. Now, in Bengal case is completely different. Bengal case is logical discrepancy has been made, which has not even been decided in Bihar case. In Bengal case, only the logical discrepancy has been inserted by the Election Commission of India. Therefore, our case is completely different. Procedural part is also, there were so many procedural lapses were there. There the Supreme Court has given when the matter was heard, we have seen the Supreme Court has given the safeguard. In case of an adjudication, Election Commission has not decided in our matter. The Supreme Court has said these matters would be decided by the members of the judiciary of the West Bengal and others. And thereafter, the appeal forum has been created by the Supreme Court to decide the appeal, that appeals are still in pending. Therefore, our case is completely different case. But, in principle, the Supreme Court has held that the SIR is constitutional. But the procedural safeguard has been given by the Supreme Court, so many directions have been given. Unless I see the full judgment, I can't tell you what are the other safeguards have been given. Bihar judgment is not 100% applicable in Bengal case, because it has been made very clear in this case. Thank you.
Thank you.